best life. I'm ready.
Yep.
So today is our first full day here in Siargao, and we have rented this motorbike that we're really excited about driving around. They're really having a lot of fun with it, driving around. So today we're probably gonna take it a little bit easy and just kind of drive around, explore the city, and just kind of enjoy the island life a little bit today.
So we keep getting lost every once in a while, but Alexa holds the maps while I drive, and then I have Google Maps to drive with. So we have to make it through this mud puddle. We've gone the last like half kilometer through puddles like this, and we are completely soaked, completely muddy. But is it fun, Alexa?
Yeah.
Lots and lots of fun. I'm a little concerned about this one though.
We got splashed with mud. It was the best day ever.
So Siargao is the surfing capital of the Philippines. We are not surfers, but we're here walking on the Cloud 9 area just to kind of watch the surfers and see what's going on. Eventually one of these days, Alexa and me will do a surfing lesson and see what we can do. I'm sure it'll be rather pathetic, but it'll still be fun. The girls have no interest in watching the surfers, but they are very happy just to play and run in the sand.
Learn how to surf. Let's do this.
Is that how you surf, just like that?
I think so. Never surfed before. You and me are gonna surf together.
So we found a place to have surfing lessons. It's only $10 to have surfing lessons, so we'll have to come back one morning and do that. Alexa, what do you want to do? What are you gonna do?
Climb up this tree.
All right, go for it. There's no bugs, don't worry.
How do you know?
Because climb. Show me your surfing moves.
I can't flip tomorrow.
So they have this 3-story viewing deck where everyone like us who do not know how to surf, can look out and watch the surfers and just kind of chill and relax.
Daddy, what's this?
Hammocks.
Living my best life.
We've had just kind of a relaxing day today. We've done a lot of riding around on the scooter. We just did like a 2-hour ride, which was absolutely beautiful. I didn't bring the camera with me, I wish I had. But the girls have been relatively good today. Just kind of, although they're about to poke each other with a stick. Hey Chloe, put the stick down. This is our house. We're kind of in the middle of this palm tree forest, which is kind of cool. It is a very basic house. We don't even have hot water. Thankfully we have AC, but barely enough space to have 2 bedrooms and nothing fancy.
Is it fun, Chloe?
I don't know. I'm just gonna figure it out.
You're just gonna figure it out.
That's what I did too.
Mommy, goodbye.
Back here.
Alright, so we're gonna hey for me.
So we find the best way to do this is to have Alexa in the front, Chloe in the middle, and Heather in the back. And that's about it. There's no one to shoot though.
So we've driven past this place a few times, and what's caught our attention is the meat grilling in the front of the restaurant. It smells so good and it looks amazing. So tonight we decided to stop here for dinner. And how you get your dinner is you pick out the raw meat that you want, and they'll cook it on the grill and bring it to you with rice. It's pretty awesome.
Play with my stickers. No. Look, Mommy. Look at the aliens. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. All right.
Chloe made some new friends.